So Jan and John have been staying in an accessible cabin on deck 10, B311. So let's show you around what you get with that. As you can see, it's been perfect for them, hasn't it, Paul? They've loved it.
Yes.
So they've got obviously 2 twin beds. And let's go in the bathroom first, actually, which is a huge, just wet room. Obviously, all wheelchair accessible. A little seat for the shower. Toilet as you would expect, with all the handrails and facilities that just make life that bit easier. So, and you've got a shaver point there. And storage. What we've noticed with this cabin is just storage everywhere, isn't there? Loads. Just drawers after drawers after drawers. And you've got a 3-door wardrobe. So obviously you've got your life jackets at the top and a long wardrobe there. And then next up you have another, exactly the same, but with a what we call a half and a half wardrobe. And then in the last one you've got your safe, which is not huge, but decent enough to get all your little personal belongings in, and more shelving. Huge mirrors everywhere, as you can see, and you've got tea and coffee facilities, as you've got in all the cabins on Oceana, hairdryer, and you've got plugs, 3-pin English, and you've also got flat pin Americans, one there as well. Not lots of plugs, so do bring your adapters, but it's worked well for us and for your dad and Jan, hasn't it? Yeah, and more cupboard space there, and you've also got a fridge, which is obviously an extra charge, but on the all-inclusive package you get bottled water that you can just bring and keep in there. One thing we've all said is the tellies in the room, not that we're here to watch television, but sometimes you want to just chill out for half an hour or when you get them ready. Then it's not very big, are they? No, they're probably the smallest tellies, but like I said, it's not really important, is it? But Jan and John have both said, and we agree, that these beds on the Oceana have been, we think, don't they, most comfortable beds that we've ever had on a cruise ship. So this is an accessible cabin on Oceana. Because John was on a mobility scooter, he had to book it, but it wasn't crazy price, wasn't it? It was really reasonable. So if you do have some mobility issues, make sure you ask for one of these cabins, because it's perfect.
Yeah, it does, ideal.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Do watch these videos next.